Health Check with Nurse Jen is presented by Island Cancer Center.
Hoffaday, I'm Nurse Jen. Butterflies in your stomach before going on a blind date, knots in your belly before a public speaking event, pounding heart when the boss calls you into his office. Many people suffer from it. It's the feeling of anxiety. Approximately 29% of adults in the U.S. have been diagnosed with an anxiety disorder. Common anxiety disorders include panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, social anxiety disorder, phobias, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Research has proven that if an individual is diagnosed with one type of anxiety disorder, they have a higher risk for other types of anxiety disorders and related problems. Anxiety is often described as tension, excitement, stress, nerves, and phobia. And anxiety is a diagnosable medical condition that can affect any of us at any time in our lives. More true if anxiety is the result of paranoia and interferes with one's health, wellness, and life. Medications such as Xanax, Klonopin, Valium, Ativan, and Cirex can be prescribed, especially if the anxiety disorder is so severe that it prevents one from leaving the house, getting a job, socializing, engaging in a relationship, or being hygienic. Now it's time to make an appointment with one's local healthcare provider to seek advanced professional help. However, sometimes anxiety is good. I've seen anxiety motivate a student to study more, study harder, and get better grades. Anxiety signals the mind to act, which helps one cope with anxiety-induced situations. Interventions that you can do to help a family member, spouse, or friend to cope with anxiety include being empathetic, trying to see the world through their eyes. Understanding these fears can help you empathize with them. Second, gather information. Take time to talk to the anxiety-induced person to find out what makes it worse, what makes it better. And lastly, get involved. Encourage them to seek professional help and offer to drive them to their appointments, ultimately showing that you care and that you support their effort to get better. Before you leave, thanks for having a great night. Don't wreck yourself. Health check yourself.
Health Check with Nurse Jen is presented by Island Cancer Center.